In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off SOS mode on iPhone. When you see SOS or SOS only in the status bar, your iPhone has likely lost its normal connection to your cellular network. It can still place emergency calls, but your regular calls, texts, and data won't work. The good news is, this is often a temporary issue that you can fix yourself. I will guide you through a series of proven steps, starting with the fastest options. You can stop as soon as your signal returns. Start by giving your connection a quick reset with airplane mode. This forces the iPhone's cellular radio to shut down and re-establish a clean link with nearby towers. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on and wait at least 15 to 30 seconds so the radio fully powers down. Then tap the airplane icon again to turn it off. You should see the signal bars begin searching. Give it up to 30 seconds to find your carrier. If your carrier name and bars reappear, you are all set. If SOS mode sticks around, try a force restart. This won't delete your personal data. It simply clears temporary glitches that can trap the phone in SOS. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button as the screen goes black. And don't let go until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, check the status bar to see if service is restored. Still no work? Then check your cellular settings. Open Settings, then go to Cellular or Mobile Service. Tap your active line or plan to view its status. Toggle the line off, wait a few seconds, and toggle it back on to refresh the registration with your carrier. If you are using a physical SIM card, carefully remove the tray. Make sure the SIM is clean and undamaged, and reinsert it firmly. After a moment, watch for your carrier name to return. If the issue runs deeper, reset your network settings. This wipes saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. But not your photos, apps, or messages. Go to Settings. Tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset at the bottom, and select Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will restart and attempt a fresh connection to your carrier as it comes back up. That's it. Thanks for watching.